Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code 279 on Roblox. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to go on search and then you just need to write troubleshoot settings, right? Then select other troubleshooters, then select network and internet and hit run, right? And then you need to look if you're getting some sort of error related to your internet. If you you need to fix that. It will show you step by step how you can do that. And if it's not, then you need to proceed with another steps. Open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. And here you need to write ipconfig /flush DNS. And another command is nesh winsock reset. And after that, then go on search, view, advanced system settings. And then you need to go to not this. You need to go to settings, then network and internet, advanced network settings, and then here you need to go to find your internet connection. For me is this one. Expand it, more network adapter options. Double click Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, this option, and on preferred DNS server need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it.